No matter who you are, Amazon's got cool tech for you. From fashionista-approved smartwatch devices to dad-approved smart home systems, we rounded up the best gadgets on Amazon now. Top-selling products on Amazon. Number 13. Echo Show for cooks at home. Although you can pretty much do anything with this speaker with a video connection, watch TV, FaceTime pals, etc., we believe it's especially useful to have in the kitchen. There, you can use Alexa commands to examine step-by-step recipes, set timers, play music, and add things to your grocery list, making meal preparation a breeze. Number 12. Fossil Women's Sport Touchscreen Smartwatch. For fashionistas. Tech meets style in this cool smartwatch from Fossil. You can see notifications and alerts, control your music, track your fitness goals, and much more, all while accessorizing your favorite outfit. Number 11. Tile Mate with Replaceable Battery. For the slightly scatterbrained. Where is your phone right now? Your keys? If you're not entirely sure, you might be the type who could benefit from the Tile Mate, which ensures you won't lose your things ever again. All you have to do is attach the tile onto your keyring, and then download the Tile app on your phone. When your phone is lost, press the button on the tile to trigger a ringing sound, even when it's on silent. When the keys are lost, use the app on your phone to make them ring, too. Easy peasy. Number 10. DJI Mavic Mini Drone FlyCam Quadcopter. For videographers. Take the overhead shots you've always dreamed about with the affordable Mavic Mini, which is almost as lightweight as a smartphone. If you've never tried flying drones before, this is the perfect way to test the waters. Number 9. First Alert Alexa-Enabled Smoke Detector. For a safer home. Put safety first with this smoke and carbon monoxide detector, which doubles as a speaker and Alexa device. Download First Alert's SoundLink Home app, and you can receive notifications about your home, track carbon monoxide levels, and customize a night light. Number 8. Amazon Alexa-Enabled Smart Plug. For a smarter home. When paired with an Alexa device, Amazon Smart Plug lets you control lights, fans, appliances, and more with just a simple voice command, or through a quick tap of the app if you're remote. You can even program the app to make routines for you, like an auto turn-on of your lights and coffee maker with a single request. Number 7. Wi-Fi Smart LED Light Bulb. For a brighter home. Yes, you read that right, in this day and age, even your light bulbs can be smart. The dimmable LifeX bulb gives off natural warm white light, saves energy, and makes life a lot easier. When you're feeling too tired to reach for the switch, just turn on the bulb with the app or an Alexa voice control device. Number 6. Bose SoundLink Color Bluetooth Speaker 2. For music lovers on the go. This portable Bluetooth speaker from Bose delivers bold sound in a small package. Made from water-resistant material and boasting 8 hours of playtime, it's the perfect device to take with you for a serious jam session on the go. Number 5. Lollipop Baby Camera with True Crying Detection. For new parents. Put your new parent worries to rest with this high-tech baby monitor from Lollipop. The cute gadget pairs with an app so you can keep a close eye on your baby without hovering over a traditional monitor. It also plays lullabies or white noise, and it tracks crying data so you can notice patterns in your baby's sleep. Number 4. Rocketbook Wave Smart Notebook. For plugged-in students. This smart notebook combines traditional pen-to-paper note-taking with convenient cloud technology by transferring notes from the pages straight to digital files. Once the pages are scanned safely into the cloud, you can zap them clean in the microwave, yes, the microwave in your kitchen, up to 5 times, making it much more environmentally friendly than your regular single-use paper notebook. Number 3. Ring Video Doorbell Elite. For convenience and safety. The Ring doorbell works with Alexa to notify you when someone's at your door, even allowing you to hear and speak to visitors without getting up. When you're on vacation, you can check on your property anytime, thanks to Live View on-demand video, and you'll get alerts when someone triggers the motion detector. It's the best of both worlds for laziness and safety. Number 2. All-in-one worldwide travel adapter. For international charging. International jet-setters, bring along this travel adapter on every trip across the globe. It works in over 150 countries, includes 2 USB ports, and features built-in safety measures to prevent short circuits and overheating. Number 1. Polaroid Zip Wireless Mobile Photo Mini Printer. For the sentimental. Share Polaroid mini-sized photos wherever you are with this new wireless printer. After downloading the Polaroid app, printing takes less than 60 seconds, making it ideal for parties and on-the-go types. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.